Before you speak English, you hear this question almost every day. How's the weather? Simple question, very powerful.
Yes, weather talk is everywhere. At work, at school, with neighbors, with strangers.
Hi everyone, I'm Jane.
And I'm Joseph. We're your English practice partners.
We speak slowly, clearly, and with real conversations. So listen, relax, and learn with us.
By the end of this episode, you can talk about the weather with confidence.
And quick reminder, like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and let's learn English together. Now, let's begin. Joseph, why do people talk about the weather so much?
Because it's easy. Everyone understands it.
Yes, you don't need big grammar, just simple words.
And it's friendly. Weather talk starts conversations.
Good job listening. Now let's learn the most common weather question.
Listen first. How's the weather?
Let's say it together. How's the weather?
Again, slow. How's the weather?
Great job. This question means, what is the weather like now?
You can also hear, what's the weather like?
Both are correct. Both are common. Let's start with sunny.
Sunny means the sun is out.
Example, it is sunny today.
Again, it is sunny today.
You can also say, the weather is sunny.
Very good.
Next word, rainy.
Rainy means rain is falling.
Example, it is rainy today.
Repeat. It is rainy today.
That's nice.
Next word, cloudy.
Cloudy means many clouds in the sky.
Example, it is cloudy today.
Again, it is cloudy today.
You're doing great.
Next word, windy.
Windy means a lot of wind.
Example, it is windy today.
Repeat. It is windy today.
Now let's listen to a short conversation about the weather.
It would be nice if we listen first.
Hi Joseph, how's the weather?
Hi Jane, it's sunny today.
That's nice. I like sunny weather.
Me too. It feels good.
Let's practice likes.
I like sunny weather.
Repeat. I like sunny weather.
Good.
You can also say, I don't like rainy weather.
Repeat slowly. I don't like rainy weather.
Great job.
Now let's connect weather to real life.
Because English lives in daily life.
First example. It's rainy today. I stay at home.
Repeat. It's rainy today. I stay at home.
Second. It's sunny today. I go for a walk.
Again, it's sunny today. I go for a walk.
Last example. It's windy today. I wear a jacket.
Repeat. It's windy today. I wear a jacket. Now listen again. This time, listen for the weather word.
Hey Jane, how's the weather today?
It's cloudy and windy.
Oh really? Do you like it?
It's okay. I like sunny days more. Let's repeat together.
It's cloudy and windy.
You can use and to join words.
Some examples are sunny and hot, cloudy and cold, rainy and windy.
Let's practice a mini dialogue.
Jane asks. Joseph answers.
How's the weather today?
It's rainy today.
Do you like rainy weather?
No, I don't. I like sunny weather.
Nice job. Simple English.
If this feels easy, that's good.
Easy means you are learning well.
And you're improving already.
Now, final listening.
Listen, then repeat after us.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
I like sunny weather.
Me too. It feels good.
Now say it again by yourself. Take your time. You can also pause the video to learn by yourself.
Pause also means stopping for an amount of time.
Now let's round up.
Today you learned,
How's the weather?
it's sunny, it's rainy, it's cloudy, it's windy.
I like sunny weather. I don't like rainy weather.
Real English, real life.
Now we want to hear from you.
Answer in the comments.
How's the weather where you are today?
And one more. Do you like sunny or rainy weather?
Write a short sentence. Simple English is perfect. You're doing amazing. Keep practicing.
Before you go, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us grow and bring you more real English conversations.
New episodes come every week.
Learn a little every day and you'll speak with confidence.
See you in the next lesson.